When your retaining wall starts showing signs of wear and tear, it could be more than just an eyesore. It could be a threat to your property. In today's video, we'll walk you through what retaining walls are, why they fail, how you can spot damage early, and most importantly, what you can do to fix it. First, let's quickly review what a retaining wall actually does. These structures are designed to hold back soil, rock, and other materials, keeping everything in place and preventing erosion or landslides. Retaining walls help stabilize hillsides, improve drainage, and even enhance the aesthetics of your landscape. But when things go wrong, they can cause major issues. Over time, retaining walls can begin to fail, especially when they're subjected to more pressure than they were originally designed to handle. That's when you might see cracks, leaning, or even a complete collapse. Several factors can cause retaining walls to fail. Natural causes like heavy rain, flooding, and earthquakes can put extra strain on the wall. Poor soil conditions like loose or overly saturated soil are also major culprits. Even improper drainage can lead to water building up behind the wall, which increases the pressure and can lead to failure. Once water seeps through the cracks or erosion begins to take hold, the stability of the entire structure is compromised. Now, how do you know when your retaining wall needs repair? Look out for these warning signs. Even small cracks can be an early indicator of bigger problems. And when the wall starts leaning or bulging, that's a sure sign it's time to take action before it gets worse. So, what can you do about it? Fortunately, retaining wall repairs are possible before things get too far gone. One of the most effective solutions involves installing tieback anchors. These anchors are drilled through the wall and anchored deep into stable soil behind it, sometimes as deep as 100 feet, depending on the situation. These tiebacks help stabilize the wall and prevent it from leaning or collapsing, even under heavy soil pressure. If the damage is more extensive, additional work like reinforcing the structure, adding drainage, or replacing sections of the wall might be required. Now, let's talk about the cost. The cost of repairing a retaining wall depends on the damage and the methods needed to fix it. On average, repair costs range from $300 to $900 per square foot, depending on factors like the size of the wall, the depth of excavation, and whether specialized anchors are needed. For example, a project with 50 feet of wall and a depth of 6 feet might cost around $90,000, but repairs are usually much more affordable. For the same size wall, a repair project might cost around $33,000, which is nearly a third of the cost of building a brand new wall. While repairs can still be a significant investment, they are much cheaper than a full replacement, and they can save your home from bigger, more expensive problems down the road. So, why are tiebacks and anchors so important? These specialized devices essentially pull the wall back into place by attaching it to solid ground behind the wall. This helps counteract the lateral forces pushing against the wall, preventing it from leaning or collapsing. While both anchors and tiebacks serve the same purpose of stabilizing the wall, they work a little bit differently. Tiebacks are typically made of steel cables or rods and are installed at an angle. Anchors, on the other hand, are deeply embedded into the earth, often with a large steel plate to distribute the load. Both methods ensure that the wall remains intact and secure. If you're noticing signs of damage to your retaining wall, don't wait until it's too late. Regular inspections are essential to spot small problems before they turn into major issues. If you're unsure about the condition of your wall, it's always a good idea to get a professional evaluation. At Dalinghaus Construction, we offer free evaluations for homeowners in Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada. Our experts can assess the condition of your wall and provide a detailed repair plan to keep your property safe. Don't let your retaining wall put your home at risk. Schedule a free inspection today to ensure your property stays safe, stable, and secure. Remember, investing in your retaining wall is investing in the safety of your home and family. Thank you for watching. For more helpful tips and information on home foundation and retaining wall repairs, be sure to check out our website and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe and protect your property with the right repairs today.